Hello friends, this is Omer Iqbal, and today I'll show you the pool that I bought for my children, two children. One of them is a 5-year-old and the other one is 3-year-old, and this pool includes a shower, and it has dimensions of 2 meters 1 by 1.96 meters by 91 centimeter is the depth. I wanted a pool that was not deep enough. In order to set up this pool, you will also be needing a pump. This pump I bought for 950 rupees. This is from Metro Cash and Carry store, and the pool I bought for my children was bought from a roadside hawker or a roadside seller, and this costed me around 3800 rupees. So the whole package would cost you less than 5000 rupees to set up the pool. You can see that half of it is been filled with air, and rest of the portion where the shower is included is yet to be inflated. Inflating it is a very tough process, and it takes a lot of effort. Now I'm going to inflate the second part of this pool so that I can show you the demonstration of shower. In order to inflate the lower portion, you have to plug in the pump from this side, and for the second part of this pool where the shower is included, we'll be plugging in the pump from this side, and this is the water inlet from where we can activate the shower. In order to inflate this portion, you'll have to use the smaller inlet, the smaller nozzle. So this way you will stick this nozzle into the inlet, and you'll have to start pumping it. This one is a bit harder. Alright guys, so this is going to take a lot of effort, so therefore do take some vitamins before you do it. So it's taking too long. The pool setup is now complete, and there are different options with the nozzle that comes with the pump. For the lower portion, this will be used, and in order to fill or set up the shower portion, this nozzle will be used, and this nozzle can be used for blowing up balloons and smaller pools because it is bit harder to pump. This one is easier to pump, and this one is even easier. Therefore my pool is now set up, and let me demonstrate how the shower works. As you can see, I have connected the water hose with the inlet for the shower, and let me turn this hose on, and you can see the shower working. This is how the shower works. I have to clean the pool. and after cleaning it I will let my kids play in this. Omer Iqbal signing off. Hope you like the video.